beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining me. Please remember to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell and you will be notified of all my weekly uploads. Today I am so excited because I just got my first order from Curated Bead Box. So I'm very happy, I'm very excited. So I figured I would share this with you guys and I would go ahead and unbox it. So stay with me and we'll go ahead and do this together. Now this came really fast. I ordered it over the weekend, Saturday or maybe Sunday, and it came today, which is Friday. So of course I know it is located in the United States. So I mean that obviously makes it quicker since I'm in the United States too. So all right, let's go ahead and see what we got. So first I will tell you that a Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription and it costs $20, and you receive the box every month, but you can cancel at any time. And they are just, you don't pick anything out, it's just the box is sent to you, just random beads, but it's all going to be things that go together. So I am really excited to do this. So it tells me on here what exactly is in here. So that's really nice. All right, and from the colors on the box, I'm loving it already. It says bead size and types may vary due to availability. These items are available on dollarbead.com using our model numbers. Each box also contains finding starter kit, which includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster clasps. Well, I am very excited. That's very awesome. All right, guys, I'm really excited. Ooh. Santa. Oh, I like it. Okay. Let me get the box over here so we can see what everything is. So we got 10mm Celebration Abstract Glass Bead 6-inch string. So it's 10mm. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and figure out, let's see, what is 10mm Celebration Abstract Glass Bead 6-inch string. And then we have a 10mm Meadow Abstract Glass Bead 8-inch string. So it's not that, because that's not 8mm. So okay, so these, so 6-inch string. So I would say this is the Celebration Abstract Glass Bead strand. It's very pretty. I like the colors, definitely springtime. Kind of reminds me of Mardi Gras. Especially with this. This really reminds me of Mardi Gras. Very pretty though. Really like the colors. Okay, the next one, 10 millimeter Meadow Abstract Glass Bead 8-inch strand. So that is probably this one. No, the next one is 10 millimeter Drizzled Green Gold. Okay, so that's what this is. Very pretty. Yes, very pretty. These two together, I like it. Okay, so this one is the Meadow Abstract Glass Bead. And I really like that. I don't know, what do you think? That would work? Bring out that pink in there. I don't know, I really like them though. So whether I use them separate or together, they're very pretty. Okay. Then we have 8 millimeter Fern Jade style glass bead. So, and that is 16-inch strand. Okay. So this is, we're gonna do by process of elimination. Okay, this is 8 millimeter light green marble style glass bead, 16-inch strand. Yes, very pretty, definitely marble. Okay, so this one is 8 millimeter Fern Jade style glass bead, 16-inch strand. So that's this, the jade. Yes, I really like the jade. I keep going back to these. Oh yeah, I like that right there. Yeah, that's pretty. Brings out that green. All right, I'm gonna have fun using that for sure. Eight millimeter Chameleon Citrine Duo style glass bead. So that must be this, and this is 10-inch string. So yes, I'd say that's this. Very pretty. You know, these, because these both have that marble look. I like these two together, actually. That's pretty. Definitely reminds me of spring. And then 6 millimeter yellow marble style glass beads. So that would be this. And again, very pretty. Reminds me of popcorn. The colors. Oh, that would be okay too, I think. Okay. And then we got 6mm hot pink gemstone style glass beads. So that's obviously this. Yeah, it's very pretty. I love pink. Anything pink. Oh yeah, look. Yeah, I like that together for sure. I think this is going to be the first thing I make. I really like that. Six O soft green glass beads. So that's this, obviously. Yes, that's a nice color. I do have quite a bit of seed beads. I have a kit, but I don't know that I actually have something like this color. So that's good. Yeah, I really like these. Definitely find a use for them. And then 6O soft yellow glass seed beads. So that's obviously this. Yeah, kind of a cream look. But if you were to... Oh yeah, that's pretty. Or again, these. Use these as spacers in between. Yeah, it's pretty. Okay, that's it for the beads. Then we have Birds on a Branch silver metal link. So that must be these. Okay. That's cute. Yeah, that'll be pretty on a bracelet, necklace. Yeah, they're definitely sturdy. They don't bend. And we got yellow flower silver metal links. 2 of those. That's these. No, because there's 4. Oh, that's these. Okay. Never mind me. Now, how cute are these? Yes. Or, yes, there we go. Yeah, that matches perfect. I like that right there. Maybe. Yeah, I like these a lot. I think these are really cute. And then we have flower silver metal links, 4 links. So that will be this. Okay, that's cute. Cute. And then in here we should have all of our jewelry findings. So we have some lobster clasps. Crimp beads. I couldn't think of what these were called. Crimp beads. I don't use crimp beads a whole lot myself, because whenever I do it, I don't know, it doesn't look right. I guess I need to watch some videos and watch somebody, you know, that does it, so I can learn how to do it better. I have some head pins, and they're all kind of bent up, it looks like, but I'll have to straighten them out. I'm sure that'll be fine. Obviously, if they can bend that easy, they should be able to bend back in place. They do feel kind of sturdy, but obviously they bent that way, so we'll be able to bend them back. Have some jump rings, so that's good. That's always handy. Oh, this is some metal wire. I don't know if you could see that. Just a little piece. Metal wire. Oh, some earring hooks, fish hooks. Stretch cord. And metal wire, memory wire, which is good because, you know, I love to do my memory wire bracelets. So perfect. It's nice that they give you all the beads and the findings. So that's really nice and convenient. So if you don't have much, you can just go ahead and, you know, get started with stuff. So I really like everything that was in this box. I mean, I'd say you definitely get your money's worth. There's a lot, you know, that can be done here. So it's, yeah, I really like it, and I'm really excited and can't wait for next month's. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.